But anyway, cause that's not the point. That's not the point of this video. Okay. So I just came from Walmart. Just came from Walmart or whatever. And now that I got everything out of the bags and see everything that I got, I didn't even get a lot of stuff. I should have got something to drink, but we already have something to drink. I should have got some more snacks, babes. I knew I should have got me some cakes or something. Something. But yeah, we finna stock on my mini refrigerator, so. Well, whatever can fit. So anyway, so right now, my shit is, it's turned off, but I'm gonna open this motherfucker up. I had took the tray out of it, because I need to, put my waters in there, and it was not gonna fit, y'all. It was not gonna fit. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Let me put the tray in there, y'all. This tray is not, it's not dirty, so, yeah, you know. Fuck. It's giving me very much Barbie doll vibes, like, not me groaning, but yeah, I'm finna just stock it up. Y'all, I got me some Philadelphia cream cheese, the honey pecan kind. It tastes so good. Y'all need to try it. Oh, I also got me some cheesecake from the Walmart or whatever. So yeah, those are good. Oh, also I really like dark chocolate. I don't know if I told y'all or not, but I like dark chocolate. And, you know, sometimes I can't let it get hot and melt. You know, I gotta put it in there. So you know, I'm stocking it up. Stuck on it up, babes. I was talking during the video, but I was just like, nah, fuck it. So, yeah. Has anybody else just been waking up tired and then having to go back to sleep for, like, as soon as you wake up tired, like your eyes kind of low. It's telling your eyes telling you go back to sleep. Your body feel weak, or is it just me? Cause I be going right back to sleep right after. It's like I probably go on Snap, take somebody, or watch some snaps, or you know, go on TikTok or whatever. And so that's not all I had got, cause I need the cream cheese or something. So I had got me some blueberry bagels. If you don't like blueberry bagels, what are you doing? Go buy you a pack of blueberry bagels. Like, first try it with just butter, because it's good as fuck with butter. Because when I initially grown up with cause I don't know why, but my mom liked a lot of blueberry shit. So I grew up on a lot of like blueberry muffins, blueberry bagels. And to this day, regular Eggo waffles taste nasty. Ever since I've been eating blueberry bagels, that's the only Eggo waffles I eat. But still though, like I had got me a thing of blueberry bagels. But if you ain't never tried blueberry bagels, try one half with butter. Like, just spread some butter all around it, like the top or whatever, right? And you know, just for context, just spread the butter on like that part. Spread the butter on that part and bite into it and eat it. If you don't like it with the butter, try it with the cream cheese, honey pecan to be exact. If you allergic to whatever the fuck I just said, then oh, I forgot it's not Oreos. Like, who don't like Oreos? Why don't you like Oreos, babes? Oh, and of course, Twizzlers, babes. Twizzlers. Cause well, whoever don't like Twizzlers, you either don't like it because other people don't like it and they say it tastes like plastic, or you just don't like it. But I don't like the cherry kind. Specifically, get the strawberry kind. It's just good. It's just like something to just relax and just to bite on, like, and eat it. Like, it's giving very much chillaxing vibes. And you know what? That's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm just relax. Watch me some Netflix. Watch me some movies, some TV shows, something. Something, babes. Let me just eat, drink, and relax. Only time I'm gonna come out of my room is if I gotta piss, if I gotta shower, and I gotta clean the kitchen. And that's it. That's it. Other than that, I'm chillax tomorrow. Anyway, fuck. Oh, that thing that y'all hear just making that noise, that's the refrigerator. And that's the big refrigerator in my kitchen that my sister is stocking up. But yeah. Oh, also I had got me some school clothes. I don't know where you're from, but where I'm from, or at least the school that I'm going to, it requires us to wear uniforms. Actually, I've been wearing uniforms to school all my life, so actually I kind of like it. Oh, just irritate my soul. This is what everybody do. Anyway, yeah, I speak on that. But yeah, and I kind of like it because the only thing else that I have to look cute is to have my hat on, with some good looking shoes on, of course a good looking jacket, babes, some good looking lip gloss, and a purse. Maybe like some accessories, like with some earrings. I already got me some earrings. A necklace. I'm gonna wear this necklace too. I hadn't thought about that. I'm gonna wear this necklace too. And that's a purse. Necklace, purse, jewelry, hair done, shoes, and jacket. Y'all, school is around the block, and I still need to get me some shoes, and I get my hair and my nails done, so yeah. Oh, that's also what I forgot to include in the video. I need to get my nails done, so yeah. Or in the cut. And just looking naturally pretty, you got it going on. I mean, I know some people who don't have to wear uniform. They have to, like, wear regular clothes. Like, they could just literally get out of bed and go to school. Good for you. But also bad. Because some people don't like to rewear clothes. I don't have a problem with rewearing clothes. I will wash this whole outfit that I'm wearing right now, dry it, take a shower, and put this right back on. I do not give a fuck. Yeah, some of y'all have to worry about doing that. Some of y'all have to worry about putting together an outfit for the first day. Me? I don't. like people saying school gonna be smelling like Shein. And it's just gonna be like, who got the best Shein outfit or whatever. Not with me. We don't have to wear that. So yeah. Oh, I'm thinking about doing a first day vlog. But then again, I never actually filmed in public, so I don't know. Then again, I probably would have the confidence, because I already don't give a fuck what people think about me, but since I have anxiety, I probably would gain the confidence to film in public and do a little vlog, just a little small vlog. Of course, I can't record in class. I'll probably take my phone. Well, they would. Or they tell me, like, or they give me a warning and tell me to put it away. So don't expect me to record in class. I probably record in the bathroom, babes. But like, I probably like record myself like at the bus stop, getting on the bus, and I'm gonna just narrate. Like, I'm not gonna talk during the video. I'm just narrate, like doing like a little voiceover. Just an idea, babes. I'm still thinking about it. I don't know. So nobody won't hear me. They're just gonna see me recording. Cause I don't know. I'm just shy. I'm shy. Just in case I don't know. I'm kind of shy around people I don't really know like that. Especially a lot of people. And I'm always nervous on the first day. So yeah. So anyway, so I'll probably be late on the first day knowing me. Late to the bus stop. But yeah, like I said, I'm just like film myself around the school. Like, I'm just film myself in the bathroom, film myself like at the bus stop, film myself on the bus, and probably in the hallways if I can, vibes, if I can. Yeah, I might see my boy best friend. I don't know. But just know, if y'all see me punch him, mind your business. Mind your business. Because I told him I was going to punch him when I see him. So, thank you for watching my video. That's what I stocked up in my little refrigerator or whatever. Oh, just in case y'all don't believe me, when I say, oh shit. When I say, temperature gonna go down or up, whatever it is, it was just on 70 when y'all saw it. Oh shit. Damn. I gotta flip the camera around. But right now it's on 59. I'm finna show y'all. Oh, fuck. It's like 59. It's gonna keep going down. So yeah, no, yeah, babes. That's what I got in my refrigerator, and yeah, be prepared for more content. Thank you for watching, babes.